Pinagsakluban ng kahihiyan itong si PBBM matapos ibunyag ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon na nabuko sa live interview itong ating Pangulo na hindi pala talaga ito graduate sa Oxford University. Taliwas sa claim ni PBBM na siya ay graduate sa nasabing prestihiyosong paaralan. Ang katotohanan pala ay special diploma lang ang iginawad sa kanya dahil hindi nito natapos ang kurso niya.
And it was discovered that he lied, that he graduated from Princeton or Oxford.
Certificate.
Na kayo ay
This is to certify that Ferdinand Marcos has completed BA degree in social science.
Is it a BA degree, sir? Nakita ko doon ang sinulat ng Oxford is...
we can confirm that a Ferdinand Marcos matriculated at the University of Oxford in 1975 to read for a BA in Philosophy and Economics.
Wow.
According to our records, he did not complete his degree. But was awarded a special diploma in social studies in 1978.
Nagpalit ako ng kurso.
Sinungaling ka!
Sabi ko, politics, philosophy, and economics yan. Sabi ko, bagsak naman ito lagi. So, politics eh.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!